Hey there, fellow dessert lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're about to dive into a topic that might just sweeten up your perception of cakes. Their surprising health benefits. You might have heard that cakes are indulgent treats, but guess what? There's more to that tempting slice than meets the eye. Let's explore the hidden goodness that lies within. Are you into fitness or bodybuilding? Well, you'll be delighted to know that cakes can actually help with your muscle and strength goals. The protein and calcium-rich ingredients like eggs and milk can contribute to your body's growth and recovery. Ever felt that afternoon slump? Cakes can come to the rescue. With flour and sugar as their main components, they provide a quick source of carbohydrates, giving you the energy boost you need to conquer your day. Looking to support your digestive health? Fruit-infused cakes might just be your answer. Pineapples, berries, and apples, they're loaded with fiber, which aids digestion and keeps things running smoothly. Did you know that the tradition of fermented cakes dates back to ancient times? These cakes are packed with probiotics and bioactive compounds, supporting your gut health and overall well-being. Innovation meets indulgence. Cake mix manufacturers are exploring healthier alternatives. By using liquid oils instead of unhealthy fats, they're making cakes that not only satisfy your taste buds but also support your heart health. Isn't it incredible? Cakes are more than just desserts. They're delightful packages of unexpected health benefits. So, the next time you savor a slice of cake, remember that you're not just treating your taste buds. You're treating your body to some surprising goodness. Thanks for joining us on this journey of cake exploration. If you found these revelations as fascinating as I did, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your fellow dessert enthusiasts.